Hello students, in this lecture we see the remaining examples in the miscellaneous exercise of the differential equation. Okay. Here, the seventh example, show that the general solution of the given differential equation is this. That means the given differential equation, it is a dy by dx is equal to minus y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1, and the solution is, it is x plus y plus 1 is equal to c into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy. Okay, we have to prove that the solution of this differential equation is this. Okay, to solve or to prove this, here we have the two methods. Okay, using the integration or using the derivative. Okay, using integration we solve the differential equation, and using the derivative we get the differential equation. Okay, now here when it is a given differential equation, we get it is a dy by dx is equal to minus y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. It is a given differential equation. When we solve this differential equation by using the method of the solution, variable separable or other method, here we use the variable separable method. Okay, we solve this differential equation by using the variable separable method, and we get this differential equation, this solution, okay, of the differential equation. Then it is a proof. Or the other method, here it is a given expression is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, here it is a given expression, there is a one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate once. Okay, when we differentiate this expression and we get this differential equation, okay, that means it is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, we solve any one method in the exam. Okay, in this lecture we solve both methods, okay, of this example. First we see the here we take the given expression and we get this expression. Okay, that means the differential equation. Okay, here let this expression, okay, we take this, it is x plus y plus 1 is equal to c into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy. Here it is a given expression. From this expression we get, if we get this differential equation, that means this expression is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, now here it is a one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate, it is equation number 1. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. Here derivative of x, it is 1 plus derivative of y, it is a dy by dx, derivative of 1, it is a 0, is equal to c into, again here the derivative, see carefully. Okay, it is a derivative of 1, it is a 0, minus 1 minus dy by dx, and here minus 2 into, here we use the u into v. Okay, see carefully this first function as it is into derivative of the second, and plus second as it is into derivative of the first. Then we get it is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to c into, see carefully this, c into, it is a 0, it is a minus 1 minus dy by dx. When we multiply by this, then it is a minus 1 minus dy by dx minus 2x dy by dx, and it is a minus 2y. Okay, here when we multiply by minus. Now it is a arbitrary constant c, find the value of c, therefore we get it is a c is equal to, see carefully this, it is 1 plus dy by dx upon, here it is a minus 1 minus dy by dx minus 2x dy by dx minus 2y. It is a value of this arbitrary constant. Okay, now put this value in equation number 1. Put in 1, see carefully, it is equation number 1, therefore it is a x plus y plus 1 is equal to, here it is a c, this c, okay, this we can write 1 plus dy by dx upon, it is a -1 minus dy by dx minus 2x dy by dx minus 2y into this 1 minus x minus y and minus 2xy. See carefully. Here we write only the value of this c. Okay. Now this denominator take here in the multiple. Okay. Here it is a minus 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 minus. We take minus common. Okay. Here see carefully this. It is x plus y plus 1 into 1 plus dy by dx plus 2x dy by dx plus 2y. Okay, here minus 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 minus, we take minus common, is equal to, here it is a minus 1 plus dy by dx into, it is 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy. See carefully this. Here we take this minus common, we write here minus 1 plus dy by dx into this bracket. Here now we calculate this. Therefore take the multiplication. Here it is multiplied by x, then it is x plus x dy by dx plus 2x square dy by dx plus 2xy. When we multiply by x, then again plus multiply by y, then it is, we write here it is a plus, it is y plus y dy by dx plus 2xy dy by dx plus 2y square and plus 1 plus dy by dx plus 2x dy by dx plus 2y. It is only the RHS multiplication of these two brackets. Now the LHS is equal to, here multiply by 1 and here it is a minus. Okay. Therefore it is a minus 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy. Okay. Multiply by 1. Okay. Then plus dy by dx minus x dy by dx minus y dy by dx and minus 2xy dy by dx. Okay, see carefully this. Now when we multiply by this minus, then it is minus plus plus plus, it is minus plus plus and it is minus, it is plus. Okay, here now in the RHS there is a x, okay, and here it is a plus x, both get cancelled. Okay, see carefully. Okay, when we multiply by this minus, okay, then we get here it is minus plus plus plus, it is minus, it is plus plus and it is plus when we multiply by this minus. Now it is LHS and it is RHS. In the LHS here it is x and here it is x get cancelled. Okay, x get cancelled, then x dy by dx and it is x dy by dx get cancelled. Here it is a x get cancelled, we take here. Okay. Here it is x get cancelled, this x get cancelled, x dy by dx, here plus x dy by dx get cancelled, 2x square dy by dx, here it is 2xy, it is 2xy, this 2xy and this 2xy get cancelled, it is y, this y get cancelled, y dy by dx here. It is y dy by dx. This y dy by dx get cancelled, and then it is 2xy dy by dx. It is a plus 2xy dy by dx get cancelled. Okay. Now the remaining terms are, okay, remaining terms 2x square dy by dx, 2x square dy by dx, then plus 2y square plus 1 plus dy by dx plus 2x dy by dx plus 2y, and here it is a minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, here these terms are the remaining. Then we collect the dy by dx. Here it is a dy by dx, and it is dy by dx. Then it is a 2x square plus 1 and plus 2x dy by dx is equal to, here it is a 2y square, it is 1 and it is a 2y. Here it is a minus 2y square minus 2y and it is a minus 2 plus 1. Here it is a minus 1. Okay. Now see carefully, and therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2y square minus 2y minus 2 upon 2x square plus 2x and plus 2. And now here minus 2 and these 2 get common, we get minus y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x and plus 1. Here minus 2 common, it is plus y square plus y and it is plus 1. 2 common, and then 2 to get cancelled, it is a minus, and here dy by dx is equal to this. Here that means here this expression is the solution of the differential equation. See carefully. Here we form the differential equation by using the given expression. It is this, and here from this expression we get this differential equation. That means this expression is the solution of the differential equation. Okay, it is a one method. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, here see carefully this step. Here we multiply these two brackets and these two brackets. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 terms are get cancels. Okay, 6 terms from the LHS and 6 terms from RHS get cancelled. We get this expression, and after that dy by dx, collect the dy by dx and remaining terms, and then we get the differential equation. It is one method. See carefully this. And other method is by the solution of the differential equation. Okay, here first we consider this differential equation, and the solution of this differential equation is this. Okay, by using the variable separable method. See carefully this. Now the other method, we consider the differential equation and we solve this differential equation, we get this solution. Okay, here the dy by dx, given differential equation, dy by dx is equal to minus y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. It is given differential equation and it is in the variable separable form. Okay, so here this y term of the y we can write here, therefore it is a dy upon y square plus y plus 1 is equal to minus dx upon x square plus x plus 1. Here dx here and here. Now variables are separated, taking integral on both sides. Integral of 1 upon y square plus y plus 1 dy is equal to minus integral of 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx here. Now both integrals are the same. Here it is a 1 upon y square plus y plus 1, 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. It is a integral of the function y. That means 1 upon quadratic function with respect to y, 1 upon quadratic function with respect to x. Okay, so we solve any one of the two and we directly write the answer of the second integral. Here we solve this integral. Okay, therefore by completing square method, minus integral of 1 upon x square plus x, the coefficient of x it is 1, half of 1 it is a 1 by 2, and the square it is 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, and it is a plus 1 dx. Then 1 upon, here it is a x plus 1 by 2 whole square, and here it is a plus 3 by 4 dx. Okay, and now it is minus integral of 1 upon x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus under root 3 by 2 square dx. See carefully this. Okay, now it is a 1 upon y square plus y plus 1. When we complete square, we get this, only replace y by x. Now we can write direct integrals. Here it is a minus, as it is 1 upon x square plus a square, special integral 1 upon x square plus a square, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Therefore 1 by a, 1 upon under root 3 by 2, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, that is x plus 1 by 2 upon under root 3 by 2 and plus c. And here this integral we can write similarly. Here it is a 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse of y plus 1 by 2 upon under root 3 by 2. Okay, here we write similarly integral of this. Okay, we solve this, and similarly here it is a 1 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse of here x plus 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, here y plus 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. Now this can be written here 1 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2. It is a 2 upon under root 3 tan inverse 2y plus 1 upon root 3. See carefully this calculation. 1 by root 3 by 2, it is a 2 upon root 3, and here y plus 1 by 2, it is a 2y plus 1 upon 2, and it is root 3 upon 2 upon 2 upon 2 get cancelled. Same calculation here, but here it is a minus. Okay, see carefully this. Here it is a minus. We can write in the LHS it is a plus 2 upon root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 upon under root 3 is equal to the constant, it is a c. Now again here it is a root 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 it is a same, so we take common, then 2 upon under root 3, then we get tan inverse of 2y plus 1 upon root 3 plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 upon under root 3 is equal to, it is a c. Okay. Now here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, here we use the property of the inverse trigonometric function. Tan inverse x, here it is a property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, it is tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. It is a property of the inverse trigonometric function. Here consider this is x and it is y, and then adding them. Okay. Therefore and it is 2 upon root 3, we can write here. Okay, or we write it is a tan inverse, see carefully, tan inverse of, here we use this formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, it is a 2y plus 1 upon under root 3 plus 2x plus 1 upon under root 3 whole to the upon 1 minus 2y plus 1 upon under root 3, and here it is a 2x plus 1 upon under root 3. Okay. Here we use this formula, and here it is a root 3 upon 2 into c. Here it is a 2 upon root 3, so we can write here. Now we take only the calculation of this. Okay. Then tan inverse of, we can write it is a tan inverse of, here take the addition, here denominator is same, therefore 2y plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 upon under root 3. Now here take the multiplication. Okay, first multiplication, it is 1 minus, it is a 4xy, the multiplication of these two, 4xy plus 2y plus 2x and plus 1 and upon 3 is equal to under root 3 by 2 into c. Now this tan inverse we can write here. Okay. Now take the calculation. Okay, one more step we can write tan inverse of, here it is 2x plus 2y plus 2 upon under root 3. See carefully the calculation. Okay, and now here it is a 3 minus 4xy minus 2y minus 2x and minus 1 and whole to the upon 3, and it is under root 3 by 2, it is c. Okay, same. Now this 3 and this root 3 get cancelled, then we get tan inverse of, okay, here 2x plus 2y plus 2. Okay, this root 3 and this root 3 get cancelled, and whole to the upon, in this here 3 minus this, then we can write here it is a 2 minus 2x minus 2y minus 4xy upon under root 3. See carefully this root 3 and this 3. Okay, root 3 and it is a 3, it is a root 3 into root 3, one root 3 get cancelled, and here it is under root 3 upon 2 into c. Now this tan inverse we can write here. Then to get common, it is a 2 into x plus y plus 1 into root 3, this root 3 upon, here take 2 common, here we take 2 common, then we get 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy is equal to tan of under root 3 by 2 into c. See carefully this tan inverse you can hear it. Again it is a tan of under root 3 upon 2 into c. Again it is a constant, so we take this constant as a c1. C1. Now here, now it is a 2 get cancelled. We get it is x plus y plus 1 upon 1 minus x minus y 2xy. Okay, all the terms are in our last answer, and here root 3 is extra, so we take the root 3 in the RHS, that is a 1 by root 3, and this, that is 1 by root 3 tan root 3 by 2 c1. All terms are the constant, so we take the c. Okay, it is 1 by root 3 we can write in the RHS, and here that these two terms we want in the last answer. Okay, now here it is a 2 get cancel. Okay, see carefully the calculation. Okay, we erase this first, see carefully this. Okay, now we want to this answer. Now here it is a 2 get cancel, therefore you can write x plus y plus 1 upon 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy is equal to 1 by root 3 tan of under root 3 by 2 into c1. See carefully this. We can write only 2 to get cancelled, and this root 3 we write in a RHS. And now see carefully, this RHS, it is a complete constant, so we take this c. Then x plus y plus 1 upon 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy is equal to c. Here it is 1 by under root 3 tan of under root 3 by 2 into c1 is equal to, we take c, this c, and here we get the last answer. X plus y plus 1 is equal to c into 1 minus x minus y plus 2xy. See carefully this. Okay, here that means is the solution of the given differential equation is general solution of given differential equation. It is a given differential equation. Okay. Here it is a solution. Here out of these two methods you can use any one method for the board exam. Okay. Here first given differential equation, and then we find the solution of this differential equation, or first we take the expression this and we prove this expression is a solution of this differential equation. That means we differentiate this expression and we get this differential equation. That is the first method, and it is a second method. See carefully. Okay, in both methods check all calculations carefully. Here we use the property of the inverse trigonometric function. ओके, केअरफुली पहा दोन्ही. तुम्ही कोणत्याही मेथडनं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन घेऊन त्याचं सोल्युशन काढा किंवा सोल्युशन होऊन इट इज अ सोल्युशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असं प्रूव्ह करा. दोन्ही मेथडचे प्रॉब्लेम याच्या आधी झालेले आहेत. आपण ही मेथड म्हणजेच काय केलेले, व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथडनं सॉल्व्ह केलं, हे झालं जनरल सोल्युशन, आणि नंतर तिथं प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इन्व्हर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन यूज करून आपल्याला पाहिजे ते आन्सर आणलं. ओके, आपल्याला आन्सर हे पाहिजे होतं. ओके, जनरल सोल्युशन फक्त सोल्युशन इथपर्यंतच लिहिलं असतं तरी चाललं असतं. ओके, पण आपल्याला आन्सर हे पाहिजे होतं, किंवा सोल्युशन दिलेले त्याच्याहून डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन तयार करा. असेही प्रॉब्लेम आपण प्रूव्ह केलेले आहेत. म्हणजे याच्या आधी एक्झरसाइजमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम पाहिलेले, एक्झरसाइज 6.3. ओके, एक्झरसाइज 6.3 मधलं फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, त्याच्यात शो दॅट द गिव्हन एक्सप्रेशन इज अ सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. मग द गिव्हन एक्सप्रेशन इज अ सोल्युशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन या मेथडने प्रॉब्लेम प्रूव्ह करता येते. ओके, तुम्हाला जे सोपं वाटते त्या मेथडनं सॉल्व्ह करा. याच्या आधीची जी मेथड आहे ते काय, सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. एक्झरसाइज 6.3 मधलं फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, शो दॅट द गिव्हन एक्सप्रेशन इज अ सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. त्या मेथडनं सॉल्व्ह केलं. त्याच्यानंतर ही नेक्स्ट मेथड जी घेतली ती काय, द सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल सेपरेट केले, त्याच्यानंतर इंटिग्रेशन काढलं, हे झालं जनरल सोल्युशन. पण आपल्याला या टाईपमध्ये आन्सर नाही पाहिजे, आन्सर असं पाहिजे होतं, म्हणून त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन करत गेलो पुढं. ओके, कॅल्क्युलेशन केअरफुली पहा आणि व्यवस्थित लिहा. ओके, ते व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्या.